हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल डीजी लर्निंग। आज मैं आपके लिए बीएड के नोट्स लेके आई हूँ ईपीसी 1 के, दैट इज क्रिटिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ आईसीटी। क्रिटिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ आईसीटी ईपीसी पेपर 1 के यूनिट 1 के नोट्स मैं आपको पहले दे चुकी हूँ। आज मैं आपको यूनिट 2 के नोट्स देने वाली हूँ, दैट इज इंट्रोडक्शन टू कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशंस। ठीक है, यूनिट 2 दैट इज इंट्रोडक्शन टू कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन। नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट वन, आवर फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग। आई एम जस्ट रीडिंग इट फॉर यू। ठीक है, word processing refers to the act of using a computer to create, edit, save, and print documents. In order to perform word processing, specialized software known as a word processor is needed. One example of a word processor is Microsoft Word, but other word processing applications are widely used. Okay. Next is creating document. How to create document? Just look here. First, click the Microsoft Office button. Select new. The new document dialog box appears. Select blank document under the blank and recent section. It will be highlighted by default. Click create. A new blank document appears in the word windows. All are in the point. किस तरह से क्या क्या point करेंगे हम लोग, क्या क्या चीज करेंगे for creating the document. Okay. Next is the formatting documents. Document formatting refers to the way a document is laid out on the page, the way it looks and is visually organized, and it addresses things like a font selection, font size, and presentation, like bold or italics, spacing, margins, alignment, columns, indentation, and list. This also includes the size, colors, and font of the text. Okay. Next point, topographic emphasis. Use topographic emphasis, bold, italic, or underline to make the report title stand out. Change the font of the text. Select the text, click the drop down arrow on the font section of the ribbon. Select the font we want to apply. Third one, change the font size. How to change the font size? Select the text, click the drop down arrow on the font size indicator on the ribbon, and then click on the font size of your choice. Okay? Next, point number 4. Change the color of the text. How to change the color of the text? Select the text, click the down arrow beside the font color selector, click on the color of your choice. Okay? Next, fifth one, format paragraphs. To adjust the line spacing, select the text, click on the arrow on the line and paragraph spacing button. Select the line spacing we wish to apply. Next, proofing features. It will help you to produce professional error-free documents. Word automatically checks your documents for spelling and grammar errors. To use the grammar check features, right-click the underlined word. A menu will appear. Select the correct word from the listed suggestions. Left-click your mouse on the word. It will appear in the document. Is the saving document. Click File, click Save, pick or browse to a folder, type a name for document in the file name box and click Save. Control plus S can also be used for saving documents. तो ये सारे जितने भी दिए गए हैं वो सब किस तरह से करना है, क्या क्या करना है, वो सारे आप पॉइंट वाइज पे लिख सकते हो। मैंने जस्ट एक पैराग्राफ में लिख दिया है। ठीक है। नेक्स्ट इज द प्रिंटिंग डॉक्यूमेंट. Click File, click Print to preview each page. Click the forward and backward arrows at the bottom of the page. Choose the number of copies and any other options we want and click the Print button. Printing documents के लिए आपको ये चीज़ करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज ये जो मैं आईसीटी की जो क्रिटिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ आईसीटी इसके जो मैं नोट्स दे रही हूँ ये कुल्हान यूनिवर्सिटी के सिलेबस का ही नोट्स है. तो नो नीड टू वरी, आपको पूरा ही उससे मिल जाएगा. ठीक है. आराम से इसको पढ़ के जा सकते हो एंड यू कैन इजीली राइट और गिव द एग्जाम. Our next topic is uses of Microsoft Word in education. Education में Microsoft Word कहाँ कहाँ use होता है और कैसे? Let's see. First is the assignments. Students can make their assignment by using Microsoft Word. They can also insert related pictures and diagrams in the assignment. Second is making notes. Students can make class notes on Microsoft Word. They will not require new notebook and they can add the material in the same file as much as they want. Next is the using dictionary. Microsoft Word offers dictionary as well. Student can expand their vocabulary by using dictionary available in the software. There is no need to leave the software for consulting dictionary. Okay. Next point is the project. Students can make project on Microsoft Word. There are tools available to make figures and they can also merge the file with Excel and do the calculating work as well. These are the use of Microsoft Word in education. Spelling and grammar. Microsoft Word offers specialized tools for formatting documents in various ways. Performs spellings and grammar check to produce standard and error-free document. Sharing document. The teacher can send an email containing notes to the whole class by using mail merge. Checking. Teacher can check assignments submitted by the students by using tag changing option in review so the students will be able to know easily their mistakes. It is the presentation. Teachers can present their lesson by Microsoft Word so they can skip writing on Blackboard and can more concentrate on teaching. It will enhance the teaching learning process. Next is the visual charts. Teacher can turn data into visual charts by using smart art so the people would understand more clearly the concept. Okay. Concept map. Teachers can make students understand the new concept by using concept map so the student would be able to understand the different aspect of the concept at a time. Okay. All these were the use of MS Word in education. Now comes to the conclusion. Use of MS Word in teaching learning process. Microsoft Word has become the most commonly used software in education. It offers many general relative advantages to teachers and students for teaching learning processes. Teachers can make learning process very effective. ठीक है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा ही इफेक्टिव हो सकता है. जैसे कि हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे जितने सारे पॉइंट्स दिए हैं, ये टीचर्स के लिए भी इजी है एंड स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी इजी है. वो काफ़ी ही इजी बनाता है हम लोग को MS वर्ड. हम प्रोजेक्ट्स बना सकते हैं, असाइनमेंट्स बना सकते हैं ईजिली. हम कहीं पे भी फाइल कहीं पे भी कुछ भी डाल सकते हैं. कहीं कुछ छूट गया कोई पेज तो हम वहाँ पे आराम से उसे इजीली डाल सकते हैं. ठीक है. Now comes to the next point, that is PowerPoint. Creating a presentation. Open PowerPoint, then select blank presentation to create a presentation. Select one of the templates, then select create. अब पावर पॉइंट खोल तो रहे हो. पावर पॉइंट में हम प्रेजेंटेशन किस तरह से क्रिएट करते हैं ये उसके लिए दिया गया है. ठीक है. ये सारे जो पॉइंट्स है, आप ये सारे पॉइंट्स वन बाय वन करोगे तो आप इजीली पावर पॉइंट में प्रेजेंटेशन क्रिएट कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट कम्स टू द एडिंग अ स्लाइड. Select the slide we want a new slide to follow. Select home, then the new slide. Select layout and new slide will be added. Okay. Third point, to change the color of the text on a slide, select the text that you want to change. Now on the home tab, choose font color and then select the color. ठीक है, तो आपके कलर्स अपने आप चेंज हो जाएंगे स्लाइड में. Next is the fill color. Select the shape or text box on the drawing tools format tab. Click shape fill in the color box. Either click the color we want on the standard tab. जो भी आपको कलर चाहिए फिर उस कलर में आप क्लिक करो. Will get. तो बाय दिस यहाँ सारे पॉइंट्स लिखे गए हैं. किस तरह से क्या क्या करोगे. यहाँ ये है कि मैंने पैराग्राफ में लिखा है, बट किस तरह से क्या क्या करोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा. स्लाइड में कलर चेंज करने के लिए टेक्स्ट का आप क्या करोगे, कलर फिल करने के लिए क्या करोगे, तो आप ये सारे पॉइंट्स देख के इवन आप प्रैक्टिकली भी आप करके देख सकते हो. ठीक है, कंप्यूटर पे. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, एडिंग अ शेप लाइन ऑब्जेक्ट इफेक्ट ऑन अ स्लाइड. On the Format tab in the Shape Styles group, click Shape Effect and select an option from the list. To add or change a built-in combination of effect, point to preset and then click the effect that we want. ठीक है, लाइन वाइज करके पॉइंट दिए गए हैं, आप इजीली कर सकते हो. Adding a line style on a slide. How to add a line style on a slide? On the Format tab in the Shape Styles group, and select an option from the list. To add or change a built-in combination of effect, point to preset and then click the effect that you want. Next comes to the word art. Special effects in Microsoft Word PowerPoint that change the appearance of text. To add it, click on the Insert tab in the text group, click Word Art and then click the word art style that we want. Next comes to the animation. Animations are visual effects for the objects in a PowerPoint presentation. Animations bring objects like text, images, or charts move on or off the slide. To add it, select the object, click on Animation tab, select the animation of choice. Okay? Next is a slide transition. A slide transition is how one slide is removed from the screen and the next slide is displayed during the presentation. To add it, select the slide, click on the Transition tab and select the transition of choice. Okay. Next comes to the on-screen presentation. On-screen presentation. Select the slide show tab, select the use presenter view checkbox, press F5. In presenter view, see your current slide, next slide and speaker notes. Select the arrows next to the slide number to go between the slides. Select the pause button or reset button to pause or reset the slide timer in the upper left. Select the annotations pen icon to draw on the screen in real time or select a laser pointer. ठीक है, सारे चीज पॉइंट में करके दिए गए, एक फुल स्टॉप एक कॉमा के बाद में आपका नेक्स्ट स्टेप है कि आपको क्या लेना है, यू कैन डू. नेक्स्ट कम्स टू द यूज ऑफ पावरपॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन इन एजुकेशन. जिस तरह से भी हमने एमएस वर्ड और एक्सेल का देखा है, अब हम पावरपॉइंट का भी देखने वाले हैं. Appropriate use of PowerPoint can enhance the teaching and learning experience for both teachers and students. It provides encouragement and support to staff by facilitating the structuring of a presentation in a professional manner. See the first point. First point. By careful mixing of media, a presentation can appeal to a number of different learning styles and be made more stimulating. The electronic file format allows distribution and modification for by students unable to present or who have impaired visual or auditory difficulties. Third point. Extra information can be hidden within files or answering predicted questions or for providing a feedback to students using the file in a distance learning context. The fourth point, delivering automated instructional protocols in laboratory sessions. Now comes to the conclusion of the PowerPoint. Conclusion. PowerPoint is an excellent aid to presentations, providing each presentation is considered first from a pedagogical viewpoint, bearing in mind the different ways in which students learn and largely trying to avoid the pitfalls of passive knowledge transmission. Okay, this was the PowerPoint. Now let's come to the spreadsheet Excel. Spreadsheet Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft for Windows, Mac OS, OS means operating system, Android, and iOS. It features calculations, graphing tools, pivot tables, and a macro programming language called Visual Basic for applications. Microsoft Excel is a powerful data analysis tool. It is a part of the Microsoft Office suite software. Excel is available across Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. First comes to the opening of the spreadsheet. Clicking the Microsoft Office button in Excel application and then click Open. Click the file we want to open and then click Open. Okay. Next comes to the creating and saving. Launch Excel application, click File and select New from the menu to create a new workbook. Select one of the templates from the available templates section and click the Create button to create a workbook. Click File and select Save As from the menu to open the Save As window. Name the file and select the location to save it. Then click Save. Okay, this was for creating and saving. Next comes to the editing. Double click the cell to write new text. It will be text. T-E-X-T. To write new text or edit the written text. Or edit the written text. We can format the text in the same way as we can format it in MS Word application. Comes to the formula. A formula is an expression which calculate the value of a cell. और एक्सेल शीट में अगर आप एक फॉर्मूला लगा करके अगर आप कुछ सॉल्व कर रहे हो तो आपका पूरा शीट इजीली बन जाएगा. Next comes to the functions. Functions are predefined formulas and are already available in Excel. For using formula or function, select an empty cell, ठीक है, type an equal sign compulsory, and then type a formula or a function. For example, equal sum sum. For getting the total sales, type an opening parenthesis, select the range of cells, and then type a closing parenthesis. प्रेस एंटर टू गेट द रिजल्ट. आराम से आप ड्रैग करके आप लेके आओगे फर्स्ट सेल से लास्ट सेल तक, कहाँ से कहाँ तक आपको निकालना है, फिर आप एंटर करो, यू विल गेट द रिजल्ट. तो वही मैं बोल रही हूँ ना कि जितने कुछ यहाँ पे हम लिखे हैं पॉइंट वाइज, इवन यू कैन डू इट प्रैक्टिकली ऑल्सो. ठीक है. Now comes to the uses of Excel in education. What are the uses of Excel in education? First point, teachers can use table styles, shapes, charts, data, tools, and formulas to teach students in the classrooms. Students can learn and solve basic and logical mathematical problems and statistics in Excel. Teachers can educate by creating a table in an Excel sheet. They can highlight more interesting cells in colors, emphasize important values, and visualize data using bars and charts. Third point, teachers can use Excel to convert any spreadsheet into a web page and share it with students. This is an effective way of increasing teaching efficiency. Next point, by carefully arranging the data, a spreadsheet can appeal to a number of different learning styles and be made more stimulating. Excel can be used to generate a comparative analysis of various data related to school and students. Excel macro applications are quite useful to perform day-to-day tasks. And last one is the electronic file format makes distribution easy and paperless. Okay, all these were the uses of spreadsheet. Now we are going to the conclusion. Let's see the conclusion. Conclusion. Microsoft Excel is a powerful data analysis tool. It is a part of the Microsoft Office suite software. Excel is available across Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. It is a spreadsheet program that helps the user organize statistical data. Excel can perform mathematical calculations, draw graphs and charts, etc. The users can create efficient report with the help of Excel. Yes, so we have completed our unit 2 now. अभी तक मैंने जितना भी कुछ बताया, स्प्रेडशीट, पावर पॉइंट, एक्सेल एंड और आगे में क्या था, यस वर्ड, ये सारे चीज़ अभी तक, ये सारे चीज़ जितने भी चीज़ मैं अभी आपको मीन्स रीड की हूँ वो सारे यूनिट 2 के नोट्स हैं. ठीक है, मैं आपके लिए इसके PDF भी डाल दे रही हूँ डिस्क्रिप्शन में, उसके लिंक डाल दे रही हूँ, आप वहाँ से PDF डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. ठीक है, and if it is helpful to you then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.